Hello and welcome in this video for this exercise given during the AIME, and you want to find out the values of x, verifying this equation: x squared plus 18x plus 30 equals 2 square root of x squared plus 18x plus 45. If you want to give a try, please pause the video. Otherwise, let's see the solution. So the first idea to make this square root disappear is to square both sides. On the right side, if you square, well, the square root is going to disappear, but on the left side, if you expand, you're going to end up with a polynomial and highest degree is 4, and that's going to be much more complicated. So instead of squaring both sides, we can notice that we've got x squared plus 18x on both sides of this equation. So we are going to set y equals square root of x squared plus 18x plus 45. So let's rewrite down this quantity. But now, instead of 30, we are going to write down 45 minus 15. So if we pay attention to the first three terms, this is y squared minus 15, and on the other side of the equation, this is 2y. So we can rearrange this and we end up with y squared minus 2y minus 15 equals 0. This is a quadratic equation. So now we can calculate the discriminant. Negative 2 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 15. So we end up with 64. And the first root is 2 plus 8 divided by 2, and this is 5. And the second root is 2 minus 8 divided by 2, and this is negative 3. Y is a square root, and a square root is always a non-negative number, so we can disregard this second root. So now we're going to solve when y equals 5. So now we can square both sides and we end up with 25 equals x squared plus 18x plus 45. If we put this 25 on the other side of the equation, we end up with x squared plus 18x plus 20 equals 0. Once again, this is a quadratic equation, so we're going to calculate the discriminant. 18 squared minus 4 times 1 times 20, so we end up with 244, which is 4 times 61. So we've got two roots. The first one, this is negative 18 plus 2 square root of 61 divided by 2, and we end up with negative 9 plus square root of 61, and the second root is negative 18 minus 2 square root of 61 divided by 2, and this is negative 9 minus square root of 61. So thanks for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.